Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to use split screen in Vivo Y75 smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open appropriate application. So I will open YouTube first. So after opening, you need to swipe up with the three fingers, bottom to top. When I do like this, so the split screen is opening. Now you need to choose the second app. So I will choose Chrome. Now you can see I open YouTube and Google Chrome in the same page. You can use the application, two applications at the same page. So it's very useful. If you want to change the size, you can change this like this. If you want to exit, you need to click and drag to bottom. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.